Hey Winxers, what's up? My name is Tyler and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, in today's video, I'm going to be rerouting a Jakks specific Enchantix Stella doll. Now, I'm going to be rerouting her to be a little more show accurate, as well as just have a better hair type and hairstyle as well. So, if you'd like to see how I transform her into a whole new Enchantix fairy, then keep on watching. Hey guys, so this is Editing Tyler here, interjecting, and I just wanted to let you know that I didn't show it in any clips, but I redid the hairstyle for Stella at least 6 or 7 times. I did it 4 times on camera and got really frustrated with how it was looking, and I was really unhappy with it. So yeah, then I went and redid it a bunch of more times off camera. So just wanted to let you guys know. I don't know why it was that hard, but it was. Anyways, enjoy the rest of the video. Winxers, so I put together a montage of up-close bits of her hair, so that will play in just a second. But first I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about this doll and some of the amazing things that I put into her and some of the amazing things that are coming soon. So if you want to hear about that, then stay. Otherwise you can skip to just the montage that shows off her hair blend and all that. Speaking of hair blends, this is a Catsilk Saran hair blend. It is a custom blend, so it's not something you can just order. But it does have, I believe it was 3 or 4, I'll annotate somewhere, 4 different colors blended in specifically for this beautiful Stella doll. I really wanted to do something that was show accurate because I have felt that the original Jakks hair color as well as the Witty hair colors just don't suit Stella. I have never found them to be the right color. I've always found them to be too platinum and just not Stella in my opinion. And I really wanted a bright yellow, but I wanted it to have like some platinum highlights and some richer undertones just to give it a lot of dimension. And I'm really, really happy with how this hair blend turned out. It's stunning. Now, as you notice in this hair blend as well, there is tinsel, and this tinsel is holographic. I tried my hardest using my camera flashlight to really capture the tinsel holographicness in the montage that's coming up. I don't think I got it great. I'm gonna try when I do photos for Instagram later to get it again, but I'm telling you guys in person, this doll looks stunning with the hair. It's just really hard with these studio lights and cameras and trying to focus but also get the holographic. It doesn't really work too great. So another thing about the tinsel that I find kind of special is when I went into planning for this project, I really wanted something that was the right size, the right strength, and the right look. I could have gone with a yellow holographic tinsel. I kind of like the silver though. I don't know, I feel like it plays off that tiny bit of platinum I had put in her hair. So I like that a lot. And I wanted something, this is human grade hair tinsel, which basically means that it handles heat very well. It also, you can curl it and shape it, and it's very thin, so it's about the size of a hair, which is really cool. I would like it if it was a tiny bit thinner, and I've actually talked to the supplier who I get my hair from about maybe getting doll-sized tinsel in the future, but we'll see. But for now, this works really well, and the difference between this and just like regular like decoration tinsel or something is when you do decoration tinsel in hair for dolls, which I've done before, it's bigger, so it doesn't blend as seamlessly with the other hair in the head. It also doesn't handle heat. You can't heat it up, otherwise it turns like white and it gets stringy, so that's why I really wanted to research and find a good hair to use for this doll, because I wanted to, as you can see, heat curl it, so I did want something that was strong and be able to handle me brushing it and any kind of stress it might go through, as well as be heated, because like I said, I wanted to curl it, and I'm so happy with her hairstyle. I mentioned it when I was in the video when I was doing the pigtails, but yes, I did really redo them like 6 or 7 times. I don't know why it was so hard to get them the way that I wanted, but again, I'm really happy with the placement. I'm happy with how they look. I think, I don't know if I've ever been this proud of a doll reroot. Maybe my very first reroot I ever did, which was a Layla doll. Maybe aside from that, I don't know if I've ever been this proud for a reroot before. So I am so in love with her, and I really hope you guys love her too. As I noted in the last bit before this, I am working on custom outfit for her. That will be in a video coming up hopefully either at the end of August or beginning of September, depends on how quickly I can finish it. I've been testing different styles and stuff. I thought about doing a more like simple idea, and then I'm also looking at like a pantsuit not pantsuit, but like a pant idea. When it gets here, I'll show you guys my sketches and stuff to see what my thought process was, but I think I've settled on a design that I'm happy with, and I can't wait to start building it, so I'm really, really excited. But yeah, so that's coming soon. I also want to make custom wings and jewelry and all that, so that is all coming soon, but she's just amazing, and I'm so happy with her, and again, I really hope you guys love her because I am so infatuated with this doll. Now, one last thing I wanted to say before I go is I asked on Instagram if I should open doll commissions doing stuff like this, and a lot of you said yes. And the truth is, I've actually been thinking about doing that for a long time before my poll, a long time before even doing this reroot. Back when I did my Laguna reroot, or even my Draculaura reroot before that, I've been thinking about doing commissions for a long time, but I really wanted to practice and really work on my skill and my thatching and my styling, and I wanted to get to a place where I felt comfortable doing commissions. And I think I'm at that point. I think I want to open commissions. So if you would like a commissioned doll, just go to my Instagram. The description will be in the bio, and DM me or send me an email. I believe you can get my business email from my Instagram, but you can also get it from YouTube. I think it's in the About side where you can find it. You can make business inquiries there if you would like one. I'm going to start with a low load of commissions. I don't want to do too many at once. And I will be commissioning Enchantix Stella's. I'm not going to open commissions on her yet until I get the outfit done. You can DM me, and if you just want a rerooted doll, no outfit, I'm totally willing to do that. I have quite a few of these Stella dolls that I have collected, some with articulation, some without, but I'm totally open to doing commissions on her. I think she is stunning. But yeah, I also have a bunch of Mattel dolls and even Monster High dolls that I can do, so let me know. More details will be on my Instagram when I open commissions, like for real, for this and other projects that I'm working on. I want to do both customs that, like, you know, you guys would like be, hey, this is exactly what I want, and I would do that, but I also want to do projects like this where I design and create something and then say, hey, you can order one like it. So that is how I kind of want to do that. And yeah, so I'm excited. I love this so much, and I really hope you guys loved her too. And like I said, just email me or DM me on Instagram if you're interested in a custom doll, because I am here and I'm doing it now. So yeah, again, I really hope you guys liked her. I hope you guys liked this video and cannot wait for the part 2 and maybe part 3, depending on how I want to split up the wings and the outfit. So yeah, those are coming in the future, and thank you guys for watching. Bye!